You know how many people don't wash their hands?
Seeing as so many people unfortunately do not wash their hands after using the restroom, many germs are living on the restroom door handles. It is a proven fact that 4 out of 10 girls and 6 out of 10 boys do not wash their hands after using the restroom. Therefore, my team and I put it to the test to see just how many germs accumulate during the day on our school's bathroom doors. One morning before school started, we disinfected the high school girls' and boys' restroom door handles.
This is the control for our group. We're disinfecting the surface so we can swab for germs later.
For this experiment, we had a 929 centimeter square on the door where we thought people would put their hands the most in both the girls' and boys' bathrooms. And in the morning, we sanitized the square in both the girls' and boys' bathroom with Clorox. We swabbed after we sanitized, and there was 8 times 10 to the negative 3 viable colonies per centimeter squared, and 5 times 10 to the negative 2 viable colonies per centimeter squared. And now, at the end of the day, we swabbed again. And in the girls' bathroom, we had 3 times 10 to the negative 1 viable colonies per centimeter squared, which is 38 times more bacteria than we had at the beginning of the day. And in the boys, we had 2 times 10 to the negative 1 viable colonies per centimeter squared, which is 40 times more bacteria than we had at the beginning of the day. Now, there are a couple of things that we can learn from this. The first is that Clorox doesn't clean as well as we have been told throughout our lives. Even if you clean, there's still bacteria. You'd have to clean multiple times to get the results you wanted, and those results still might be unreachable. And the next thing we can learn is that we don't wash our hands like we're supposed to. There's still most people wash their hands, but even if they do use Germ-X or things like that, it doesn't get all the bacteria off it's supposed to. You need to use soap and water, and according to our results, a lot of people do not do that. And we can also learn that there isn't really a difference between boys and girls. When we started this experiment, we said there were 4 out of 10 girls that didn't wash their hands, and 6 out of 10 boys that didn't wash their hands. So we thought that the boys' room was going to be much nastier than the girls. But 38 and 40 are so close together that there's no way that it would be that big of a gap. They're just about the same. So there's not a gender difference. It's just we're all human.